Hi, we're Stream, and today we're going to give you an overview of how to fit a face-fitted, single pleated fly screen door. It's important to fit your screen squarely to ensure it functions properly. If you're unsure, check at intervals using a spirit level. Take the two 40mm side channels and drill the fixing holes through the face of the channel. Smaller holes through front to back, and then a larger hole through the front face only for the screw heads to pass through. Drill the top and bottom track in the same way. Take the four corner pieces and make up the outer frame. Place against your door frame and screw fix into position. Insert the cover caps to hide the screw holes. Take the mesh and with the tensioners facing outwards from the door frame and the silver closing channel facing the centre of the screen, ensure the strings to the bottom and top are coming from under and over the mesh respectively towards the middle of the screen. Starting from the bottom, gently pull the mesh away from the silver element and push the unit into the side channel. As you move upwards, you will start to hear it clip into position. Pull the silver closing strip from the side of the mesh and take it over to the opposite side of the screen. Push the closing strip into the side channel starting from the bottom. Again, as you move upwards, you will hear it starting to clip into position. Using the top of the Allen key, lever the black magnetic strip from the front of the closing strip and pull it down. Insert the Allen key in the top string tensioner and slide it down the closing strip until the strings are under tension. Do the same for the bottom string tensioner. Then push the magnetic element back into the closing strip. Push the tensioners on the front of the handlebar so they touch the bottom and top track respectively. Screw into position. Test the screen. If you wish to attach the windproof clips to the top of the screen, decide on their position and then gently push the mesh out of the track. Angle and push the slider into the top track. Fit the clip onto one of the mesh folds. Push the mesh back into the top track, slotting the protrusion on the clip into the slider. Push the cap into the bolt insertion hole on the mesh. The handlebar itself provides a minimalistic handle, but there are also D-shaped handles you can fit if you prefer. Insert the handle fixing pad into the groove on the handlebar at the position you wish to fit your handle. Place your handle onto the insert and snap into position. Screw to the fixing pad. If you have any questions when you come to fit your screen, please do get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.